Hey, so if you're stuck on the login screen or can't access Confluence, yeah, this is a pretty common issue. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Confluence login issues in 2026. First thing, double check your email and password. Small typing mistakes can block login. Next, reset your password using the Forgot Password option. All right, check your internet connection. Unstable internet can cause login failure. Now clear your browser cache. Old data can create conflicts. Next, try incognito mode to avoid cookies or extensions interfering. All right, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. Now check Atlassian status to see if servers are down. Next, verify your account access with your admin and try another browser or device. So that's how you fix Confluence login issues. Once resolved, you should be able to log in normally again.